Hi guys, this is Wally Collins back with another video. Oh yeah! So guys, make sure you like this video if you enjoy. Do it right now. After you watch this video, you like this video if you enjoy. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. You can do that right now as well. Also, you can turn on those notifications as well. And I'll be muchly appreciated by you guys. And please, no dislikes. Thank you. And we're just shout out to Just Cracknell, I think it was. He's a good YouTuber, you should check him out. Yeah, and let's get on with this video. So we're gonna be doing this in our face. Or in our eyes or whatever. So we're gonna be doing this in our face. In my face. Yeah, but don't worry guys, it might be like weird, and yeah, and don't forget guys to check the description as well, because I mean most of these pieces as well, and yeah, you can comment whatever you want, mine, whatever it is, and you can comment anything related to anything inappropriate, okay, so guys, we're spinning this in my face. In my face, in my face, in my face. Okay, so it's 4:21 right now. 4:21 now. So we're finally doing another video. I don't know what my next video is going to be tomorrow. I'm trying to think right now what it could be. Like guys, you don't need to know until you'll find out tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. In my face, in my face, in my eye. I'm sorry you can't really see me spinning, and it's kind of holding it obviously. Spinning, 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 spinning on itself now. Spinning, 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 spinning. Come on, babe. Oh, let's make some noise with this. We'll do that. Actually, we're going to do that in the next video. Make some noise with this thing on my glasses. That'll be in the next video. Guys, remember, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Don't worry, guys, about it.